Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to log in into Spotify. If you're having trouble logging in into Spotify, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, I'll be walking you through some super easy steps to fix it. Let's go ahead and start with the video. Open your Spotify app and then click on the login option. Now you'll have a lot of options to log in with. You can either continue with email, Google, Facebook, or Apple. Now let's continue with email. Now you can just simply click on login without password and then just write down your email address. Once you're done clicking your email address, then you'll get a link. Then you can open email app directly from there and you'll see the notification on how to go back into your Spotify account. Click on the link and Spotify will directly log you back into your old account. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys log back into your Spotify's account. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next